Oh my god, you guys, I'm finally back with a new video. Thank you for all the love and support in my first tutorial. You guys are the best. Muchísimas gracias por todo el amor y el apoyo en mi primer tutorial. Ustedes son los mejores. I'm going to show you guys how to achieve my most famous brown glitter look, which is so easy. Les voy a mostrar cómo lograr mi look de glitter más famoso. Es bien fácil, así que let's get it started. So boom, let's get it poppin'. I'm going to start with the Hudabeauty concealer in the shade Coconut Flakes. I love to use it as a base. And right now I'm going to stop because, honey, we cannot film a tutorial without our hoops on, okay? Period. Señores, tuve que parar para ponerme los aretes porque ustedes saben que a veces uno no se siente completa sin ellos. Voy a utilizar el corrector de Hudabeauty como primer en el tono Coconut Flakes. Okay, now we're talking, okay? Ahora sí estamos hablando, we popping now, period. I need to stop saying that word. So I'm going to start with the Juvias Warrior 2 palette, and I'm going to use the top 3 shades to create transition and also smoking it on my eyes. Voy a utilizar la paleta de Juvias para crear transición y también lo que le llamamos smokiness en los ojos antes del brillo. And sis, please don't stop blending until you're happy with the way your smoky eyes is looking, because we're not trying to look like raccoons, okay? So I'm going to use the Zulu eyeshadow palette by Juvias as well, and I'm going to use the top 2 shades, the orange and the yellow one, to blend the smoky eye and also create more transition and dimension on the smoky eye. Ahora voy a utilizar los tonos amarillo y naranja para difuminar el smoky eye para que se vea así más bonito. Ustedes ven, se ve como un sol arriba. Yellow is one of my favorite colors and I needed to add a pop of it on this look, so I'm using the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics pigment in the shade Gold Digger. Now I'm using the NYX glitter primer to apply my glitter, so just make sure you blend it onto the eyeshadow before you apply the glitter. So for the part that we all love, glitter, of course, I chose to put it into slow motion for you guys, that way you can see the way I apply the glitter. So I take the fine glitter first, not a chunky one, and I apply it on the center of my eyes into tapping motions. I don't swipe the glitter, I don't do this and that, I just tap it into the eyes. After that, I grab my chunky glitter and I apply it on top of the fine one, right there in the center. Don't go high, don't go low, just in the center. Y para mi gente que solamente habla en español, le prometo que en los próximos videos estaré explicando cada paso que hago en español también. Simplemente no quise hacer este video tan largo. So one of the most asked questions on my last video was about the lashes, and these ones are not the same that I used on the last video, but they are similar to them. So they are the 25mm lashes from AliExpress. So if you type on the website, you'll find many options that you can buy and choose from. So now it's time for the skin, and I'm going to start with the Nars Super Radiant Booster, mixing it with the Hudabeauty Complexion Perfection Base Primer. And I've been loving mixing it together because it literally hydrates my skin. We need to have that ready for foundation, okay? Now I'm melting the primer into the skin. That helps the skin to feel more hydrated and not just having a base sitting on top of it. Me gusta derretir los primers en mi piel, así que utilicen una de esas esponjitas con la que nos aplicamos la base. Le va a encantar ese tip. I am so happy that I was part of the Juvias I Am Magic collection. Dreams come true, one of my favorite brands of all times. Señores, yo estaba representando a los latinos, ya ustedes saben, en la colección de Juvias Pueden ir a la página y ver mi foto ahí. Yo soy el tono Punta Cana. I am shade Punta Cana in the Juvias foundation. If you have dry skin, I would honestly advise you to moisturize your skin before you apply this foundation. It is super full coverage, oh my god. So, honey, we all about the coverage in here. So we're not even tripping. Señores, esta base, la cobertura está en la altura, como dice J Balvin. Así que si ustedes son de esas personas que le encantan la cobertura en las bases, esta es la ideal para ustedes. Once I'm done melting the foundation, I'm going to grab the Juvias foundation brush and I'm going to tap the skin until it looks really flawless. I mean, it looks flawless already, but you know what I'm saying, sis. And you guys can save from every Juvias purchase using my code YAMI. Pueden utilizar mi cupón de descuento YAMI en todas sus compras de Juvias So under my eyes, I'm going to use 2 shades of the concealer from Juvias It will be shade 16 to highlight and 13 to cancel out any darkness. And also I'm going to use shade 7 to contour my shabbiness out. I literally exposed myself, but that's okay because the minute you let people know that you don't care about your flaws, they won't be able to come for you. So I like to blend my contour first, that way in case I over contour myself, I can blend it out and balance it out with a concealer. Voila, yes. You see how easy that concealer blended? I really love this concealer because it hydrates your skin. And it's a good mixture with the foundation because the foundation is really dry and the concealer is very hydrating. Mi gente, yo estoy obsesionada con este corrector porque si pueden ver lo fácil que se difuminó y se derritió en la piel. Y es porque es bien hidratador, así que no es de esos tipos de correctores que se resecan y se sienten espesos en los ojos. Okay, so it's time to set the skin now, very important. And I'm going to use the Juvias Iron Magic Powder in the shade Kalahari to set the under eyes. And guys, if it's looking too yellow, don't worry, I will never be looking out here like the Simpsons. It's just the camera, I don't know why it was making me look super yellow. This powder is one of my favorite ones now, and I love it because it makes my skin look like butter. And we don't do cakiness in the house, okay? Well, we cake our face, but we don't do cakiness. And then to bake, I'm using shade Sahara from Juvias as well. Los polvos de Juvias me encantan porque siempre me hacen ver la piel como que suavecita. Ustedes saben que a mí no me gusta verme empapada. Once the skin is done, I'm going to start applying glitter on the bottom of my eyes. And I'm going to show you guys the difference of one eye with glitter and the other one without the glitter. Déjenme saber cuál les gusta más, con brillo abajo o sin brillo. Let me know in the comments which one you guys like the best, with glitter or without the glitter. Using the shade Jara in the Juvias Blush Volume 2 palette, I'm going to contour my skin and then I'm going to apply the shade Tau to make myself look like I'm blushing. Yo, listen, I cannot live without blush. Blush is everything to me. Listen, y'all be killing me with that lips comments on my pictures and my videos, and I be so surprised that you guys love my lips so much, so thank you so much. And we're gonna get into it right now. So lining my lips with the shade Espresso from NYX, I'm going to pretty much contour my lips, and then I'm going to use the lip paint from Tarte Cosmetics in the shade Wannabe. So when I previously did this look and it went viral, I used the Fenty Beauty brown liquid lipstick, but I don't know what happened to that shade. I don't know who stole it, if it got lost, but we're using this one right now because I can't find it. I really like this lipstick, but the only thing I can say bad about it is that I have to apply many layers on top, that way it can look very pigmented. But other than that, it's really beautiful. Me gusta este pintalabio, lo único que no me gusta es que tengo que aplicar varias capas arriba para que se vea bien pigmentoso. You already know it's time to take a shower, and guess what? I ended up choking in the shower, but we good sis, we made it. Señores, casi me morí ahogada con el spray de Anastasia, pero gracias a Dios sobrevivimos. Using the highlight from JD Glow Cosmetics in the shade Striking, I'm going to highlight my skin and just glow. And just don't put too much, that way you don't end up looking like me right now. No se pongan mucho highlight, señores, para que no terminen viéndose como un sol, básicamente. And for last, I'm going to apply gloss on my lips. Yeah, I was acting like I didn't know if I was gonna apply it, but I knew. Because come on, you guys love my glossy lips and I cannot live without gloss neither, so boom. Y para culminar voy a utilizar brillo de labio porque a mí me encanta y ustedes saben que yo sin eso no soy nadie. And this is how you guys can slay my most famous glitter look. Make sure to leave me some likes and comments. It will let me know if you guys really enjoyed this look. And also join the family, girl. And turn your notifications on so you don't miss any videos. So make sure you leave me some suggestions in the comments because I want to see what you guys want to see from me next. Si no se han suscribido, no sé qué esperan, así que denle a suscribirse, denle me gusta y comenten qué más les gustaría ver en mis próximos videos. Nos vemos pronto.